I will show you a new way of making money online passively. It will not make you rich overnight, but I promise you over time you'll be able to make money with it, and you just need to put in the work once in a while or every day. That's the best, and it won't take you a lot of time to do that either. And then over time, just by doing nothing, you can make money. Let's go. Okay, so the first website you want to go to is called FOP. So you'll type FOP.com, and actually you need to do that on your phone. So whether you have an iPhone or an Android, you will be able to download this app. And once you downloaded the app, it's extremely simple. You just need to upload your videos and photos, and you can earn cash. So as you can see, when a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding and purchases a video or a photo that you uploaded, on FOP, you share the profits 50-50 with them. So it's very simple. You just download the app and you'll see you can just upload your photos. So you'll have different missions over here. So that's one way of making money with your photos with them. It's just you have different missions. So if you look here, editor's choice photo of the week, and here you have the description of the mission, and you can earn $150. So far you have 73 photos in this mission, and you have 2 days left. And here you have the description. So you pretty much can you can upload any photo you want, and the editor will pick the best one. And as you can see, last week they announced the winner, and that person won $50. So that's one way of doing it. It doesn't cost you anything. You just need to have awesome photos you like. It could be anything. As you can see, you can go from food to nature to bikes or cars to your pets, kids, anything, as you can see. So you can see you have different missions. You choose a mission and you can get rewards. So here, $100, $150. It really depends, $250, $100. And let's see, this one, nice man. So the macho type is in the case here. Show us pictures of men who look like they're friendly, good to other people and everything. So you just, that's pretty fun. So you just need to upload your photos and let them pick the winner. And you never know. That's literally passive. I mean, taking a photo doesn't take long necessarily. Just, you never know. You might have a chance to win with that. But with FOP, you have other ways of making money online. And here are the other ways. So or you join one of the missions. You have some premium missions as well. And the rewards are superior money-wise, as you can see, $1,000. Or you can just upload your photos in your profile. So you upload your photos, and anyone who wants to buy your photo on the FOP market, they'll have to buy it for $10 and you'll make $5. So it's a 50-50. And another way as well, add photos of other users to your album, and if somebody wants to get that photo, buy that photo, you'll make 25 cents. So it's completely passive, and it's just a matter of you uploading photos. I'm sure you have your phone all the time with you when you go visit places, when you go for walks up the mountains, by the ocean, in the city, and it's always cool to take photos of random things around us. It could be super original, and it could be worth it to just upload your photos in this app called FOP. So that's one way of doing it. As I told you, you will not become super rich overnight, for sure. We know that, but over time you can make money, and it's just fun. It's like for people who like taking photos, it's just a fun way of, why not making some passive income. There's another website you can go to, and it's called Shutterstock. So let's go. So the other website is Shutterstock, and you need to apply to become a contributor, and that's how you can make money online as well with your photos. You just need to create your videos or photos, you submit, and every time somebody downloads your photo, you can make money. So, and they pay you every month. I believe the minimum payment is $35 if I remember, and they can pay you via PayPal or Payoneer or Skrill if I'm not mistaken. And you make okay, let me check. I just don't want to say something wrong, but I think it is 35%. Let me check. Okay, so they pay 20% to 30% of whatever your image sells for. So they'll pay you a percentage, and they pay you monthly. So as you can see here, they already paid $1 billion to the contributors, and let's see, it's just going up over time because it's more and more popular. A lot of people are using Shutterstock. As you can see, in Europe, 105 million in 2018, and you have the different places with the different earnings. So that could be a great way of doing it. Now, there's a small trick you can use. If, let's say, you don't have any ideas on what photos you can take, you don't want to take photos for some reason, and you want to use other people's photo, you can use another website called pexels.com. So Pexel won't pay you for each downloads. So if you put your photos on a Pexel, you're not going to make money every time somebody download your photo. So it's completely free. People can download these photos for free. So let's say you want to use mountains photos. So let's say here, okay, let's say you want to download this photo. You can download it completely for free and reuse it if you want to. But if you want to, that's how people make money with Pexels, and you can do that as well. You can donate. So if you go here, it's going to take you to PayPal, as you can see. So you can donate money to the owner of the photo, and that's a way of making money online with Pexels. But you can definitely download Pexels photos for free and reuse the photos, and you can upload them on Faux and on Shutterstock. And you actually have other websites such as Adobe Stock. You have alamy.com. You have Etsy, where you can put your photos. Photomoto is another one where you can do that. So you can use these photos. You can even modify them if you wanted to. Modify the colors, make that even nicer. Make the color pop. You can do that using VSDC or other online softwares that you have. So make it original, make it yours, and upload them in the different websites such as Shutterstock and Faux, and wait for people to buy your photos. And that's literally all you have to do. You can, let's say, upload 5 photos on each website per day, and do that for a month. And a month, see how that goes. Then maybe continue for another month and see how that goes. Maybe upload more if you have more time, or less, but stay consistent. Keep on uploading your photos on these websites, and I promise you, over time, the more content you have on these websites, the more chances you'll have to make money online, completely passively, literally, because once the photos are there, they're there forever, and you can just make money anytime. So I hope you did enjoy the video, and I'll come up with a new video next week. See you guys. this video. I hope you did enjoy it. I hope it helped you to find a new way of making money online passively. If it did help you, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online.